All right, fam. It's currently rained out on my job site, so I'm gonna give y'all some deals. First up, we got this hack I stumbled across last night. It is the High Torque with that Fuel M18 kit that is always hackable, it feels like. So as always, you'll select free gift with purchase. In this case, the battery is your only option. So select that item, add them to the cart. Let's see what we got. So right now you can get the kit plus the High Torque for $524. I've seen better deals, fam. Let me show y'all the rest of the Labor Day online promos from Home Depot. So right off the bat, that M18 kit is currently hackable. All the other deals, the light, the vac, the oscillating tool, those are no longer hackable. The sander, it's gone. You'll have to go in store to get that hack. Nevertheless, I'll leave a link to this promo page. There are some decent deals. I mean, if you need more batteries, that mid torque with the 5, the grinder with the 5, certain items like that, they're all right. They're decent. But I would wait. These will pop up again sometime. And all of the DeWalt Labor Day promos are currently online. Let's take a peek at those. Right now you can get the Router 169, the new brushless left blade 6.5-inch circ saw for $139. That's decent-ish. Your compact mid-torque 169, we've seen that much cheaper. Honestly, there's nothing here that'll blow you away. I'd wait for the holiday deals, unless you want that circ saw. That is the cheapest I've ever seen it. It is only a few months old at this point. We also have some low prices on the light and your deep cut bandsaw, as well as the L handle. But like I said, nothing amazing. I'm sure if you hunt around, you can find better deals on those items. However, if you don't like hacks, these prices are probably as good as it's going to get. Let's jump into the rest of the special buys, which honestly, they're more of the same. The M18 hackable kit, the brushless grinder combo with the M18 hackable kit. Be aware on that kit, you do not get the hard case. You get a bag. That is the only way that Home Depot sells that kit. You cannot hack it or break it down. If you do want to hack it, just use the link for the M18 hammer drill impact driver kit. That is still hackable. You've got a new low price on the impact driver hammer drill kit. This is not the $999 hammer drill. It's a decent hammer drill, but it is not the beefy big boy that you guys are looking for. The same iteration down below. I believe this one comes with 2s, not a 4. But again, nothing amazing here. I do like that Makita 8-piece kit. Resellers are all over this kit. It does break down. You can sell it off, but these are all their older gen brush tools. If you need the jump in, you need an all-in-one kit, I can't think of a better deal than that $399 8-piece kit. But aside from that, nothing really knocks my socks off. I'll keep you guys updated. That's it for now, fam. Have at it. Good luck.